Fact 17.
Jamaica is ranked 5th among the world's islands for endemic life. Yes, we have a vast biodiversity of endemic species. We have 28 species of birds, 830 flowering plants, 82 ferns, 27 reptiles, and 21 amphibians. Yes, my dear, we have such a rich diversity. And if you ever get to go to the Blue and John Crow Mountains, you will get to see that rich biodiversity there. Yes, endemic life, Iguana, Jamaica. Nice, green, verdant Jamaica. Happy Independence, Jamaica, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?